this.
Never do that again, Steve.
We did it.
And you've come up and find that we're all worshiping the golden cow.
Is that supposed to be
Okay.
representing your log?
What do you guys have to say?
Easy. Should've got a bigger rock. This is all about teamwork.
Whoever.
Hey,
It's all true. It's all true.
has anybody ever
Really
dropped
pulled
a
through
rock
for each other. Feeling good.
and had to go all the way back down and get it? No? Because that's if anybody ever has.
You come up, you went.
I don't think I go back down to get it.
She would